Okay, to do screen recording on Windows 11, so on the Windows you press Windows G, you press the Windows and the G to open it. Then you can now press Windows Alt and R to start recording. Okay, you can see it's recording now. It's recording now. Okay, it's counting. You can see the seconds counting. Then you can unmute the mic. You click here. The mic is unmuted. So this is for muting the mic and unmuting it. Then you want to stop the recording. You still click Windows Alt R. Okay, Windows Alt R. So the option comes out. You can see my capture. When you click see my captures, you see all the captured videos recording, all the recordings, and you can play it. Okay, please. Now to know the file location, all those things are recorded. Click on open file location, click on continue. It takes you to where all the captured files, screen recorded files are. It's under video capture option. Thank you for watching.